What's up, internet? Today we're going to be turning my Subaru BRZ into a doucheroo BRZ. Let's do this thing. Now this is probably the part where you're asking, wait, Tyler, aren't Subarus already douchey? Yes, they are. But today we're adding some awesome mud flaps. Good quality rally armor urethane. Okay, so first things we need to do is we need to remove the factory hardware. There's going to be 3 screws right here, and there's going to be 2 underneath. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay. I grabbed the right one. Yes, I did. Dang! She's gonna look good. It's not even a real mock-up. Okay, so since I've never done this before, I'm going to be going off these lovely instructions provided by Rally Armor. Okay, so with me working on the passenger front side, you're going to need this bracket, and you want to make sure that this part is pointing down and it's going towards the inside of your fender. But we'll get to that a little bit, and we'll need to put some of these plastic clips. Let's see if I can put them in the right way. You're going to fold your wheel well out and just slide them on just like that. So we're gonna do that on the rest of them. Okay, looking good. So now we take this and I guess we'll go just on top like that, not on top, but on top of your fender. If you can see that. Boom. Cool beans. Then you're gonna reinstall your 2 clips. These are called clips, Tyler. You're gonna reinstall your 2 clips that you took out. Okay, 20 minutes later. It was like 5 minutes. We're good. That inner clip is just giving me some trouble. Okay, so let's go back to our lovely instructions. Now we're gonna need 3 screws and 3 of the provided washers. Make sure the logo faces back so everyone knows behind you what you got. Okay, next, and so on and so forth. Okay, so I just got the first one done. I'd say it's looking pretty good. Oh yeah, that's how all your hardware should look. Oh boy, hardware, ooh. Okay, so now with the back ones, I think they're a little more easy. By that I mean there's just less hardware. There's gonna be another clip underneath your rear fender, bumper, whatever you want to call it. You need to remove that, then we'll install our hanger. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Yeah. If you're lucky like me, you won't break this stupid clip. We all know how easily these like to break. And how much joy it brings you when they do break. Okay. So now that we did that, we need to install our hanger. And it'll be pretty easy to figure out which side goes where. But I'll leave that to you. Find out. Okay, time to rock. So you need to separate the fender from the lining. Then you're going to slip this in between the lining and your fender. Now that that's installed, we need to reinstall our clip that we just fought to get out. Okay, so it took me way too long to fight with that clip. So now I sandwich them in between these 2 holes, kind of just like the front. Okay, so this bottom one most definitely sucks. That was not fun. But now we get to put on the mud flap, so it's okay. So you're gonna need a long screw and a short screw. Long screws for the top, short screws for the bottom. Holy shit. You guys just watched my phone almost die. And my biggest worry is this wheel being in the way. My dog agrees. Isn't that right? Yeah. Well, thankfully, yesterday I bought this cool little 1/4-inch ratchet set from the lovely Home Depot. I'm happy I finally get to use it. I say finally like I've had it for a while. I've had it for a day. Boom. That looks pretty sleek. I like that a lot. Hell yeah. I got the back one done, the front one done. Dang, girl. Dang, girl. Stop. Looking good. All right, let's do the other side now. All right, well, I just got this side all installed. It's kind of... Yes. Much yes. Let's see. You got... Well, I hope you guys enjoyed watching me struggle on installing some basic mud flaps. If you did, make sure to give the video a like, and then also comment what video you want to see next for this car. Just give me some ideas, help me out, because I don't got many. But other than that, thanks for watching, guys. Last time I have to crawl into this goddamn truck. Maybe. Bye!